So, Adobe just recently released their new Photoshop update which have Generative Fill. If you don't have Photoshop because it's expensive, so in this tutorial, I have explained how you can get it for 14 days for free, okay? So just go and watch that. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create digital body using Photoshop. The next one is how you can remove someone from your photo. This trick is special and different, in which you will learn how to remove braces. The last one, remove man from this photo on a unique way. Let's dive right into the first trick. Start by selecting the laser tool for best selection. Create a simple selection around the body. After that, click on Generative Fill and type man with fit body and 6 pegs. Now hit the generate button. Let's wait for the magic. Once generated, choose the best option that fits your photo perfectly. The next technique is about removing someone from your photo. Let's dive right in. Select the laser tool once again, then simply create a careful selection of the body. Click on the Generative Fill and type remove her. After that, click on the generate button. Let's wait for the magic. Now choose the one that you like. Pick the most suitable option for your photo. In this trick, we will remove man from this photo on a unique way. Let's do it. Create a selection of the man which you are going to remove. Then click on the Generative Fill, leave it empty and click on the generate. Let's wait for the magic to happen. The result is super amazing. Take your time and choose the one that matches your photo. That's cool. This creative trick, credit goes to Pixam Perfect. Let's remove the braces now. Once again, select the laser tool and create selection of the braces. And now, if you leave the field empty and click on generate, the violation error will occur. Let me show you how to fix it now. Simply click on the Generative Fill, type dot, then click generate. Your results are loading, wait for it. Then choose the most suitable option for your picture. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more creative tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.